How to link Epic's Legend account PS4 to PC. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's get right into the tutorial. In a browser that you prefer, search for ea.com. So right here, make sure that you are logged in into your EA account. Once you have successfully logged in, just tap on your user icon at the top of the dashboard. Head to Account Settings. Now from this option in the left hand side, you need to scroll down until you find the option of Connections. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you are in here, you need to search for your PSN network, that is your PlayStation network. Tap on Link. Select on the option of Send Code to receive an OTP code to verify yourself. Enter the OTP code once received in the dialog box and tap on Sign In. With a single click, you will be redirected to the PlayStation sign-in portal. Enter email address and password linked to your PlayStation. And voila, just like that, you have successfully linked your PS4 to your PC. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.